How to buy a home without 20% down. Are you wondering how to buy a home without that hefty 20% down payment? You are not alone. Many people think they need to save a large sum before they can buy a house, but there are options available that can help you get started on your home buying journey with much less upfront cash. Let's break down some of the ways you can make homeownership a reality without the traditional 20% down. First, let's talk about conventional loans. These loans can requiring as little as 3% down. If you have a credit score of around 620 or higher, you may qualify. Keep in mind that if you put down less than 20%, you will need to pay for mortgage insurance. This insurance protects the lender in case you default on the loan. However, once you reach 20% equity in your home, you can often remove this insurance, which will lower your monthly payments. Next up are Federal Housing Administration loans, commonly known as FHA loans. These loans are designed to help first-time home buyers and requiring as little as 3.5% down. The credit score requirement is typically lower, around 580. While you will pay mortgage insurance with FHA loans, they can be easier to qualify for, making them a great option for many buyers. If you are a military member or veteran, you may qualify for a Veterans Affairs loan. These loans often requiring no down payment at all, which can be a game changer. There is no mortgage insurance, but there is a funding fee that varies based on your loan history and down payment. This option is exclusive to eligible military-related buyers, so it is worth looking into if you qualify. For those looking to buy in rural areas, consider United States Department of Agriculture loans. These loans also requiring no down payment and are designed for moderate income buyers. There are some fees associated with these loans, but they can be financed into the loan amount. Just remember that these loans are limited to eligible rural areas. Another great way to reduce your upfront costs is through down payment assistance programs. There are thousands of these programs across the country that offer grants or loans to help with down payments and closing costs. Some programs even allow you to combine assistance with low down payment loans. Be sure to check if your state or local area has programs available, as they often target first-time buyers or specific locations. As you begin your home buying journey, it is important to assess your credit score and financial situation. This will help you identify which low down payment options you qualify for. You can also consider using cash gifts from family or friends to help with your down payment. Just remember that if you do put down less than 20%, you will need to budget for mortgage insurance and other costs like closing costs, taxes, and insurance. Working with a lender or housing counselor can also help you find the best loan program and assistance options tailored to your needs. Understanding these options can help you create a realistic home buying budget and allow you to enter the market sooner than you might have thought possible. So, if you are ready to take the next step, explore these options and get started on your journey to homeownership today.